Your face is constantly talking even when you are not saying a word. In fact, right now your face is holding so much your past habits, the current stress, and your dominant emotions. Think about it, we have over 40 plus muscles in our face, and whatever we think of, our face muscles react instantly. Over time, micro movements turns into macro tension. The tightness in your jaw, the heaviness of your eyes, and the tension between your brows. They are not random, are the symptoms of specific emotional patterns you are holding on to. In this video, we are going to decode what your face is trying to tell you. And I will show you exact face yoga movements to release it. So let's get into the video and let's read your face. Start with the most common offender, your jaw. If you wake up with a sore jaw or a tight jaw, or you clench your teeth every day, your face is telling two most important things. The first is suppressed anger, and the second is overwhelming need to control everything. Psychologically, when we bite our tongue or hold ourselves back or brace ourselves in stressful situation, our masseter muscle locks in. And this is the most important chewing muscle as well as the strongest muscle in our body relative to its size. Tension here keeps all your nervous system in a flight and fight mode. Now next, look here. Just between your brows, if this area feels tense, this is the glabular area we call, and this area, if this feels tense or the 11 lines form, it means that your face is screaming, I am overthinking. Tension comes from deep concentration, analyzing a critical problem, or staying in a stressful loop. When you do this movement or when you say stay stressed, stay focused, your muscles pull together. So it forms the tension in between your brows and the 11 lines. It's just the physical manifestation of mental overload and screen fatigue. Now let's talk about one more important key, that is the horizontal lines on your forehead. What about these lines? Chronically, this muscle is known as frontalis muscle, and it chronically holds tension. And this particular lines, they tell you that you are usually under hypervigilance or chronic anxiety. Frontalis muscle lifts your brows when you are in a surprising, shocked, or a fear situation. If this feels tight, it means your subconscious is constantly on high alert, planning your environment to fix the next problem. Now that we know why your jaw is tight, we also know why your frontalis muscle, your glabular area is tight. Now, how to actually release the tension from here, because releasing tension from the key areas keeps your nervous system calm. It keeps your nervous system relaxed. And we can use face yoga to send a biological signal to your brain in that we are safe and we can let go. Now let's perform 3 exercises together to release the jaw tension, the 11 lines tension, and the frontalis muscle tension. So let's first come to the jaw area. What you have to do is to place your 2 fingers on your ear like this and your thumb under your chin. Means under the jaw end like this. And now you have to glide your fingers very slowly down and slowly and gently open your mouth as your fingers are gliding down like this. Let's do it. We are not pulling the skin down. We are just focusing on the tight tissue, tight muscle. Let's do it together. This physically forces the masseter muscle lengthen and tell your nervous system to drop its guard. Okay, great. Now let's come to the glabular area. This exercise is also known as eraser, like erasing your overthinking and your worries. What you have to do is to place your index finger here, like this, folded on the Eyebrow center like this. Apply firm, comfortable pressure and sweep it outward along the pro bone towards your temple. Okay? So you are placing it here, applying a firm, steady pressure and going till your temple. Right? As you are sweeping, imagine you are actually erasing all your overthinking. As as you are gliding, imagine you are actually erasing all your worries and overthinking. This instantly relieves this instantly relieves the pressure around the optic nerve. Continue doing it slowly and gently. You can keep your eyes closed for better relaxation. Beautiful. Now relax. Now let's come to the another zone, the frontalis area. What you have to do is you have to place your fingers like this. Okay. Press. Press here and glide. Now press here just above your brow and glide up. So you are gliding sideways and gliding up. Press. Move slowly till your temple. Now place on your brows, press, move up till your scalp. This relieves the chronic tension of your frontalis muscle. Now relax. So these were the three exercises we do to actually release the tension from our jaw, glabella and your face is a living history of your emotions and you don't have to hold on to stress. By just focusing on these releasing techniques, just 2 minutes every single day, you will feel a massive shift. It's not about how you look, it's about how you feel. And by releasing the tension, you will feel more good, more calm, and more relaxed. And take a look in the mirror right now. What was your face trying to tell? Was it the jaw, the glabella, or the frontalis muscle? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for more sessions on face fitness and face lifting tips. And if you want to go deeper and want live guidance with me, you can join my 30-day facelift bootcamp. The doors has been opened. You can check the link has been put on the description. And if you want me as your guide to support you in your facelifting, face releasing journey, so let's meet in the facelift bootcamp. And make sure you also subscribe to channel for more such videos, more techniques, more tips. Let's meet in the another session.